Hello everyone, this is Emma DiPasquale, the Fulcrum Community Manager, and I wanted to spend a few minutes to review our new Counter 5 reports page at fulcrum.org. I'm going to review three major reports: the Platform Master Report, the Title Master Report, and the Item Master Report, as these three reports capture the most general and relevant usage. When you come to fulcrum.org/counterreports, you'll see that we're automatically tracking your IP address, so your institution will be generated in this field. You're able to select start and end dates in these drop-down menus, and I've selected August 1st through December 31st, 2018. For the metric type, I've selected total item investigations, which will capture the most general usage, from folks downloading chapters to folks who are just clicking quickly into the table of contents and doing nothing else. You're able to view this report as it's a very quick overview of all usage over the reporting period. You're also able to download a CSV file, which will provide the same information here. For the Title Master Report, I've selected the same start and end dates, but I've selected a different metric type. Total item requests is a little bit more specific in that it's measuring usage from folks who interacted with the text a little bit differently, whether that is actually reading the title in the e-reader or downloading the chapters. This report doesn't give you a clean-cut total, so if you select this entire column and click Auto Sum in the top right corner, you'll be able to get a quick and easy look at the total number. The easiest way to jump down to this last number is to hit Command and the down arrow on your keyboard. For the Item Master Report, I have also selected the total item request metric as it measures chapter downloads. Chapters are considered an item in this report, so I've gone ahead and applied a filter to the section type column in this report. You can apply a filter in the top right corner and then select chapters in the drop-down menu. Similarly, this report doesn't give you a clear-cut total, so if you select this entire column, click Auto Sum, and then click Command and your down arrow, you will get the total number of chapter downloads for the reporting period you've selected. Since the chapter downloads are a new feature for this platform, this report will be able to give you the quickest and easiest glance at how folks are using that new feature and how that's contributing to your usage. For more information, you can visit the usage statistics blurb on the HEB website and take a look at the more detailed HEB counter guide that we've developed. With specific questions, you can email subscriptions@hebook.org.